Tucker, don't chew on the tree skirt. You better leave that alone.
Used to be they used to use a horse and a plow and have a big crib to put the corn in.
Hey, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? You don't chew on the tree skirt. It's my dog under the Christmas tree. I'm recording. I'm just licking it now. So I'll be good for a minute till you stop recording. One little puppy dog.